Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Fuller from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for February 8th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, I'm going to be sounding like a broken record once again. Mixed close, tight range. It's really been the story over the last little while, but the Dow today was down about 36 points, while the S&P 500 was down just one and a, excuse me, it was actually up 1.5. Nasdaq managed a gain of about 8 points, and the Russell was lower by 2 points. Aftermarket, the futures here are starting to tick up a little. Now, bonds today, huge day, up over 1.5 points, and after this gap up, and currently or closed at the high of the day. So we should see some follow through there tomorrow. Gold was actually up a couple of points. It was up higher and then retraced slightly, but once again continues that move higher here. Now it actually hit a 3-month high today, which was very strong. You see nice strong momentum, and but the dollar did pull back a little today. Here's the dollar index. And, you know, this is a fairly orderly retracement into this downslope in 20, and it was rejected today. So any follow through here is a pretty clean sell signal here. We could see more selling here in the US dollar in the near future. Now, today, if you looked at the banks, there's been a 3-day sell-off here on the banks. Now, if we look at Citigroup here, you know, is it real reason for concern? I mean, yes, we have this downslope in 20. We definitely have momentum here, but you know, we do have some support in this area. And so if we look across the board here, and I'll go through a few of these banks, but I actually think, you know, there is a chance here for a bounce. But these lows are what are going to tell us everything. So obviously, if we don't hold the lows here, in the case of Citigroup, it is the February 2nd low of 55.23. That's the key number there. If we look at Bank of America here, again, it looks a lot like the Dow, doesn't it? You know, also 3-day selling here. I'm not overly concerned. I think we see a bounce here. And lastly, Wells Fargo, you know, 3-day sell-off, pretty decent, but pretty orderly. And into that upsloping 20 here. Again, I think we see a bounce soon in the bank, so not real worried about this at all. But again, it's the lows that matter. Remember, for Citigroup, if it doesn't hold this Feb 2nd low, then you should see more downside to come. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.